Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to freshen up your bathroom using a toilet paper roll, because let's face it, the bathroom is not the freshest smelling spot in your home. This hack is so simple and will keep your bathroom smelling great for days. You'll want to take the toilet paper roll off of the holder and grab some of your favorite essential oils. Drop a few drops of the oil onto the cardboard inside of the roll, making sure it doesn't spill out. And that's it. No need to wait for it to dry. Just put the toilet paper back on the holder and you're done. You should already begin to smell the freshness. Now, since we're here, are you an over or an under on the toilet paper? Let me know in the comments below. And also like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.